If you need to remove a payment method from your Temu account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Payment Settings. Tap on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as Remove or Delete. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice, and the payment method will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on Temu. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.